We did $13 million worth of work in 3 months.
We had multiple engineers and the owner say it can't be done.
Walking into it, I can absolutely see why they said that.
The project was COVID updates.
To upgrade the HVAC system in the detention center.
You couldn't take anything offline. You couldn't interrupt prisoners, the jail, a healthcare facility that was actively fighting a pandemic. We did that.
Going through an active jail was very challenging every day. We got to know it pretty well.
I mean, the pre-con effort was done in St. Louis, pulling resources from Kansas City along with the Omaha market. I mean, it was a central effort all the way around.
You have got to create a high-performing team immediately. And the client was a big part of that.
Yep, and we relied a lot on our trade partners.
Well, it was really constant communication. We actually had a really great owner.
Different locations, a detention center, a healthcare facility, 2 different designers, 1 McCarthy team.
And then something happened, results.
And pretty soon you get that flywheel going, that momentum going, and everyone starts to believe.
This is McCarthy. This is what we do. When everybody else says it can't be done, we find a way to get it done.
And the winner is Douglas County.
At the health center, we had to install new ductwork on the outside of the building, up 7 floors in the middle of winter in Omaha, Nebraska.
And then the owner tells us they want it painted. And I looked at Steve and I said, no way. And he goes, yes way, we're getting it done.
And to be up against 90 days and be almost early, I mean, everybody was bought into it daily. There was no question, I think, with 3-4 weeks left that we were gonna do it.
We were early.
The day.
I am very thankful for everyone on this team. And without everyone here, I don't think we would have done it.
The trade partners all want to work with McCarthy again. Douglas County wants to work with McCarthy again.
I would say, whatever you did, bottle it.
For all the partners, what that team did was amazing.